take some time out to nourish our mind, body, and soul. I'm Anna. I'm Anay. What's your name? Well, we're so happy that you decided to come to yoga practice today. Let's begin with day 1 of yoga practice.
You're gonna say hi to the ground next to us. Hi, ground.
Hi.
Hello, Earth. How are you?
Yeah, how are you?
Now we're gonna place our hands on the ground. It's nice and feel and place one hand on the ground. I'm gonna make a rainbow with the other hand. Make a rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. Wiggle your fingers. Hi, everybody out there.
Hello. Hello.
Now we're gonna come back. Put other hand down. And make a rainbow this side. Hi, hello.
Hello.
We're gonna come back to the center.
Hello.
We're gonna roll our shoulders back. We're gonna shoot the other way. We're gonna take a nice deep breath. And when you take a deep breath, bring your shoulder to your ear. Like it's time to warm up our neck. So we're gonna look side to side. Say hello to everybody around us.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
We're gonna come to the center. Bring our hands in front of us. Make a fist. And wake our wrist up. Move them round and around, round and round. Come on, round and round, round and round. Open our fingers and twinkle them. Hello. Wiggle them, wiggle them, wiggle them, wiggle them.
Wiggle.
Nice and tall. Come back to your, bring your hands back to your lap. Now we're gonna roll down to our backs. It's time to feel nice and relaxed. Bring your hands to your sides and fold your knees. Bring your feet closer. Time to make a bridge. Yes, we're gonna lift our booty up and bring it down. So when you inhale, go up, and exhale, bring it down. Inhale. Now think there's a colony of ants going under your booty. Let them pass. Just stay there, stay there. They're still there under you. Let them pass. They're gone. Bring it down. Thank you for being so nice to let them pass. Oh, they're coming right back up. Bring your booty up. Let them pass, let them pass. And there are a few more left there. Bring it down. You're gonna hug your knees now. Bring them close to your chest. Hug your knees. So you did a good job there. Now, bring your feet back straight. We're gonna ride a bike. Then we are on a beach. Feel nice, cool breeze on your faces. Go biking. Nice. Pedal nice and tall. Good job. Nice pedaling there. Doing great. Let's try a new tray. Let's see if you can pedal back. Can you pedal backwards? Let's see. Try pedaling backwards. Nice job there. You're doing so well. Oh, good. Now let's bring our knees back to our chest. Hug our knees. Relax the body. Good job. Now let's turn. Come down on your belly. Turn around. Would you like to fly? Let's go for a nice, let's be a bird. Fly in the sky. Bring your hands back to your sides. And you're gonna bring your feet up and hold it. Now you're gonna fly nice and tall. Roll here and there, side to side, as if you're flying whichever direction you want to take. You can go that side. Nice buddies. Now this time, we want to bring our hand in front of ourselves and we're going to go for a swim instead. We're in the ocean, going for a swim. Flutter your feet. Nice fluttering. And go for a swim. Yay! You're swimming around. Be close to all the sea animals. I see a seahorse there. Oh, there's a crab over there. Oh, and that's a nice little fish. Say hi to everybody there. What else can you see? Oh, I can see a dolphin.
I can see treasure chest.
Oh, there's a little octopus. Oh, well, you want to be an octopus? Let's turn back on your backs. Turn around. Bring your hands and feet up in the air and wiggle them all over as you are an octopus. Wow, you are being such a nice octopus. You're doing so great, little octopuses. Good job, guys. Now we're gonna lay down straight and relax. Take nice deep breaths. Stay there. Close your eyes. Just relax. This is called Shavasana. You're gonna relax your body. Take nice deep breaths in and out. Keep going. Just think about your day. It's gonna be nice and relaxed. Gonna have fun there. Now we're trying to wake up our body step by step. So we start by wiggling our toes. Just wiggle our toes. Wiggle our fingers. Roll our ankles. Open our eyes. Come to your side. And lift yourself up to a sitting position. Great job. Now it's time to cool down. You're gonna sit on your knees. Now it's time to cool down. Bring our big toes together behind us. Open our knees. Sit nicely. Bring your hands in front. They should face your knees. Good job. Now be a lion. Take a deep breath in and roar like a lion and bring your tongue out. Nice job. job. You are such a nice loins. Now sit back. Relax your shoulders. Just wiggle them a little bit. Bring your neck side to side. Touch your ear to the shoulder. Nice. Touch your chin to chest. Go up. Look at the sky. Come back down. Look at the sky. You did a nice, good job. Give yourself a great big hug. Say thank you to yourself.
Thank you.
And you can pat your back. Pat your back, come on, pat your back. You did a good job.
You did a great job today. Hope you felt great like we did. Don't forget to post your pictures in the comments below doing your favorite yoga pose. We can't wait to see them all. Night!